Hi, my name's, Santa Claus. And let me introduce the most significant person in my life.
Mrs. Claus from the North Pole.
We're so happy to be with you today. And what we're doing here today at the Secret Workshop here in Toronto is starting to announce the Toronto Santa Claus Parade. It's a wonderful event, and we're hoping that you will join us there.
Yes, I'm so looking forward to the parade. It's my favorite time of the year, and I see all the happy, smiling faces along the parade route.
And this year, more than anything else, the best present you can give to anybody, and we are agreeing to this, is the kind of kindness and respect you have for other people. That's what we're looking for.
Yes, and I see the same faces year over year. They're sitting in the same spots. It just makes my heart so warm, doesn't it, Santa?
It makes my life. Just coming here to Toronto is a wonderful place to be, with so many smiling and enthusiastic people. We're so thankful.
Yeah, we're excited for the parade to return on Sunday, November the 23rd. It's such a celebration of community. We've got 27 amazing floats, including some new ones from Lego Canada Incorporated, from Nintendo of Canada, from Uncle Tetsu, Nutella, Circle K, and then some fan favorites, returning floats from Tim Hortons, and of course our Mother Goose float, Canadian Tire, which you see here behind me. It's just an amazing, amazing celebration of artistry. We're going to have 18 marching bands and an amazing new broadcast partner with City TV, so that people around the country can view the parade as well.
My name's Anastasia.
And my name is Holly.
We're on the music float as music elves.
We're here because we're going to be part of the parade.
We were excited to be on the float with each other and get to put on the cool costumes, right?
Yes.
I've been on this float before, so I'm helping Holly get advice. Because Holly...
This is my first time.
And this is my second. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Also returning this year are celebrity clowns. These are businessmen and businesswomen who are excited to be a part of the parade. They get a full day experience dressing up as clowns. They really are icebreakers. They kick off the event, firing up the crowd, getting them excited for the parade. They are chaotic and exciting and very funny. A great way to support the parade, and they all support the parade with a donation to be a part of that program. We're grateful to over 100 celebrity clowns who will be a part of the parade day to make it a warm and welcoming environment for every family and spectator on the route. I think being a celebrity clown is a pretty special thing. It is a way to engage with the audience in, get outside your comfort zone and act silly. I'd say it's an honor to be a part of it. And I think we have so many celebrity clowns who return year after year because it is such a fulfilling experience for them. I mean, we have not just an amazing group of volunteers who, help organize costumes on day of, but also help organize the bands. And then we have actually a really small, dedicated group of staff who work year-round to help carve and sculpt. These are amazing, amazing artists doing a very unique form of work. And we're excited that they are able to apply their trade here and bring an amazing event to life.
Yeah. Now, it is a busy time of the year. The elves are working very hard. We're all on, our apps just to make certain that we're all ready for Christmas. And Santa, how are you doing with that naughty or nice list?
Oh, the naughty or nice list. Well, you're on the nice list. But what we like to think is that no child is naughty, really. There may be misguided, but not naughty. So, there's more people on the good list, let me assure you.
Yeah. And I just want to remind all the children, please send your letters to Santa. Each letter is read, 100%.
Yes, I will look at every one.
This November 23rd, we're going to be celebrating our 121st year. The parade's over 6.5 kilometers long. We're going to see hundreds of thousands, maybe 700,000 people lining the streets. It takes 2,000 volunteers. It's just a huge, huge collection of people that work year-round to bring the parade to life. And then, of course, all the audience who provide so much energy for Santa and Mrs. Claus on parade route. We're excited to celebrate with you. Visit the SantaClausParade.com for more information and how to get involved.
So, now when the parade is, it's on Sunday, November the 23rd, and it starts at around 12:30. But I would encourage you to get there early so that you can get a good spot to see us. There's lots of places to stand, so we look forward to seeing you then.
And there are a number of events prior to the parade to get some hot chocolate, get your picture taken.
Absolutely.
I think it's so much fun. Santa, will you be running before the parade in the Holly Jolly Run?
Look at me. No, I'm not going to be running.
Neither am I.
I can barely walk.
We need runners.
We thank everyone for their support of the original Santa Claus Parade. Please join us Sunday, November the 23rd in Toronto or on City TV and City TV Plus. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.